Listen up, guys. If you're still spending hours trying to write the perfect AI prompt, you're doing it the hard way. This AI tool doesn't just generate images and videos, it actually brainstorms with you, builds your story, creates your shots, and assembles the final film all through a simple conversation. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works and why it might be one of the smartest AI tools I've used this year. So make sure not to skip a step, because any small mistake can cost you credits you didn't mean to spend. Let's get into it. So this right here is the AI tool that I'm going to be talking about today. And this AI tool is truly a beast. And don't think of it just as an image and video generator, because this AI tool comes packed with features, and it actually does way more than that. So do well to stick with me and don't skip a step, and I will show you how powerful this AI tool is. So from the get-go, you can see that Flova now has their own personal video agent partner. And no, this isn't just an image and video generator. This is actually an agent that lets you brainstorm with it and recommend ideas before generating your final output. And that is actually very good for creating high-quality, realistic AI videos. And the best part about it is that you don't have to do it yourself, because if you look over here, you can see that not only being a great agent, it also has the top models out there, such as Seedance 2 and many other models out there for you to use. And now you might be wondering, how do I make use of this Flova agent? Well, all you have to do is click right here on the prompt box, and you can basically tell it anything. Like, I can say, brainstorm with me because I want to make a short kids film and send this over just like this. Now, why I love this is because you don't actually have to think about the prompting all from scratch by yourself. You can actually go all the way from the prompting to the final output video with this AI tool. And you can see it has given us a reply. And it has asked us some basic questions, whether we have a character in mind, the environment of the video we're looking for, as well as the visual style and the length. So all you have to do is answer this. So I'm just going to say an animal in a forest 3D cartoon animation, and I can top it off by saying, and I want the length of the video to be 15 seconds long, and you can send this over. And if you notice, I don't have to think solely about a perfect prompt to get us what we want, but you can actually chat with the Flova AI agent, and it will basically handle most of the thinking for you. And you can see in no time, it has given us some options to choose from, like a squirrel, a fox, a bear cub, and a hedgehog. So it's left for you to select whichever one you want. For this, I'm going with the hedgehog, and I can send this over just like this. And what it does next is basically ask you more questions, so you can actually get the best narrative of where you're heading with your current project. And it has basically given us the key elements, the shot type, and the audio layers for this. So all you have to do is take a quick look at it and make sure everything is okay. If you don't like anything about it, you can edit any section you want, but this looks great to me. So I'm just gonna say, looks great, generate it, and send this over just like this. Okay, it is done generating. I can actually click on each and every one of these. Like you can see the character right here, which is the hedgehog. You can see the forest, as well as some other features like the home of the hedgehog. Everything is being displayed to you right here, and you can edit it anyhow you like. Like I can click on the hedgehog and I can say, make it better. This can be any customizable prompt of your choice, but this is just to show you how the edit feature works. So I can send this over and it's actually going to regenerate the image for us. So just give it a couple of seconds while it generates our image. And while it's generating, you can look over here and you can see that it has given us some options to choose from, like whether I should assemble the final film, whether I should regenerate the shots, which we are currently doing, or whether I should regenerate the character or reference. Okay, in no time, the hedgehog has currently been regenerated, and it looks way better than before. You can see a side-by-side comparison, and this one actually looks more of a hedgehog, so you can delete this previous one like this. And now you can head back over to the chat feature and say, yes, assemble the final film and send it over just like so. And our final video is currently being generated. And while it's generating, you can take a look at the shots that it generated. They actually generated this with Seedance 2, and they're actually so stunning. Okay, and now our final film is ready to go. All we have to do is hit right here on export and select video. And we can export the final video just like this. And let's take a look at what it generated for us. Isn't that just great? No weird morphing, no distortion at all. And we were actually able to do that all with the new Flova agent feature. And this is actually a game changer when it comes to creating AI videos, because with little to no work, you can get a beautiful video like that. So now let's head back and take a look at the skill feature. Well, these are actually reusable workflows, not just quick presets, and they allow you to do way more. Like, you can see some examples like the narrative shots, film, the product commercial, and descriptive video. So you can see how well this AI tool makes it so easy to generate high-quality, realistic AI videos. And make sure to keep in mind that these are not just presets, that you can actually reuse this workflow. And speaking of reusable workflows, if you head back over to the Assets library, you can see more clearly that it's not just a place to view generated assets. It allows you to save characters, save locations, as well as reference images, music, and also approved assets. And you can reuse them across future projects to keep the characters and visual styles consistent. This is actually a great feature to have on deck, especially if you're focusing on consistent video generation. Lastly, you can head over to the generators, and you can see that they have a wide variety of generators, ranging from image generations to video generators. And they actually have the top models for each and every one of these. So now that brings us to the end of the video. Before you click off, make sure to check this AI tool out. The link will be in my bio. And if you sign up with that exact link, you actually get 100 credits immediately. And you earn 200 credits for every new user you refer. So that's basically a cheat code to getting unlimited credits to this powerful, amazing AI tool. Make sure to check it out. The link will be in my bio.